for the first fight, please welcome from the blue corner, Usama Manzoor. And his opponent, fighting out of the team fight for Islamabad, please welcome Sher Alam.
ठीक है
Round one.
Assalamualaikum viewers and welcome to Vlogger Series 5. We have our first event coming in the wave, our amateur fight, Sher Alam from TFF versus Usama Manzoor from Color Kahar. Right now Sher Alam is pretty active throwing kicks. Usama just landed a leg kick. Sher Alam seems to be stalking Usama right now, throws a kick, misses it. Trying to go for the side kick. Sher Alam is basically a coach from TFF. He throws a front kick to the body. That's a stabbing front kick to the body. So Coach Alam is a boxing coach from TFF.
Sher Alam is basically exchanging in kicks right now.
And they're in the clinch. Landing shots to the head, back of the head.
Good cage control from Usama Manzoor.
They're exchanging right now. Sher Alam turns it back. Usama's back is against the fence.
Let's see if Sher Alam can score a takedown. And there he goes, single leg.
Gets it. He's on top.
Straight away he's in the mount position. And Sher Alam is definitely going to
He's
go
going to
for
throw some.
ground and pound.
Okay, he's grounding and pounding. He's landing heavy shots right now. Heavy shots. If Usama doesn't respond, the fight is most probably going to be stopped if it keeps on
Hard
going on like
shots
this.
by Sher Alam. Hard shots.
Very heavy shots being thrown by Sher Alam, and I think the fight is going to be stopped if Usama does not throw anything back or tell the referee
The
that
ref's
he's
going to stop
moving.
the fight. The ref's going to stop the fight
I
anytime
think
soon.
it's going to happen. Sher Alam is landing on top, on mount position, and is dominating right now. Usama is trying to get out of the ground, but is unsuccessful right now. These are some heavy strikes from Sher Alam right now on the ground.
Hard shots, hard clean shots. Sher Alam is landing right
Alam
now in the
is
face of Usama.
Dominating the fight right now.
I think Sher Alam is going to go for the armbar. Sher Alam is trying to go, and there's
time
round one.
is up. Sher Alam is basically a striking coach from Team Fight Fortress. He's a Taekwondo black belt, and he is a multiple-time national champion of Taekwondo in Pakistan.
So a good action-packed first round. Definitely Sher Alam got the scores on the judges' cards.
Sher Alam took his bag and never
Round
left.
2.
This is the starting of round 2. Both fighters are fresh. Both fighters are active. Sher Alam once again is a TFF coach, a striking coach, and he'll be thinking of landing some serious leg kicks right now.
Sher Alam is basically stalking his opponent right now and is looking for a knockdown or a knockout to score.
Sher Alam lands on the body, tries to cover the leg, but misses. Oh my God! What a
Beautiful
shot!
head kick. Beautiful
shot
head
to
kick
the
by
head.
Sher Alam.
Usama is a bit stunned right now. Usama doesn't know what to do, but he's composed. Sher Alam lands another leg kick to the face. Sher Alam's very calm, composed, managing his distance properly, and a shot to the face. Oh my God! He landed a right as well. They're back in the clinch. Sher Alam's wanting to take him down. Let's see if he's
Sher Alam is
successful.
basically trying to trip his opponent right now, taking the fight to the ground. But in my opinion, there is no point of taking this fight to the ground.
Okay, Sher
Again,
Alam.
a beautiful takedown. Sher Alam has just scored.
He's back on top. What he's trying to do is now stay on mount position and try to ground and pound.
He's in the half guard of Usama Manzoor.
Sher Alam has been very successful in his first round and also the second round, landing most of the
He's
strikes.
inside mount. And he's definitely going to deliver some hard, heavy ground and pound here.
Usama has to do something, otherwise this is a very bad position for Usama right now. He's going to get grounded and pounded, and if he doesn't reply, the referee is going to stop this
Knee
fight.
and belly. This takes out every last ounce of gas left in the fighters. Knee and belly doesn't look that hard, लेकिन ये बंदे की फाड़ के रख देती है.
Sher Alam's landing, he's
Pound from
throwing
the mount
hammer
position.
fists, he's throwing hammer fists. Usama is not replying, and this is going to be a stop. This fight has been stopped. Sher Alam by second round TKO. What a masterful performance by Sher Alam. Oh my God, for his amateur fight,
2 minutes, 2 seconds.
the fight has been stopped in 2 minutes 2 seconds of the second round by TKO. Your winner is Sher Alam from Team Fight Fortress.
The referee in charge has called to stop the contest at 2 minutes 2 seconds of the round.